Hey, and welcome to Crocodile Shop. Now, this is a song that I've done before in class. Usually we all have a really good time with it, so I thought we could try it at home. And we are going to be using pears as our first food that we bring to the Crocodile Shop. So if you don't know the song yet, no big deal. It's pretty easy to learn. You start with your hands on your knees, and you pat along to the beat. I work all day at the Crocodile Shop. I put my pear on the countertop, but chomp, 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 chomp. No more pear on the countertop. The crocodile ate all of our pears. Oh no! Benny, what fruit or vegetable should we pick next? You can think at home too. What fruit or vegetable? Potatoes. Delicious. Should we show them the potatoes? Oh, we picked a potato for our next food. Ready? I work all day at the Crocodile Shop. I put my potato on the countertop, but chop, 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 chop. No more potato on the countertop. Benny, he ate our potato too. Oh no. Let's pick one more. What's that one?
Zucchini.
A zucchini? Wow, that's a great one. I think this might be a kiwi. But if you're at home, you could pick zucchini. You could pick a fruit or vegetable you would rather do. This time, should we do zucchini or kiwi?
Zucchini.
All right, we'll do zucchini this time. I work all day at the Crocodile Shop. I put my zucchini on the countertop. Ready? Put your hands together. We're going to lift them up high. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. No more zucchini on the countertop. Oh no, Ben. The crocodile ate all of our zucchini, all of our potato, all of our pear. Should we try one more? All right, now this time at home, make sure you're doing your own with us. Make sure you're putting your hands together and you're lifting them up really slowly and then chomping really big for that crocodile. Though we're using our inside voices, right? Because we're probably in our houses. Are you using your inside voice? Yeah. All right, what fruit did you pick?
Strawberry.
Strawberries. What color is a strawberry?
Red.
Good job, red. Here we go. I work all day at the Crocodile Shop. I put my strawberry on the countertop, but chomp, 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 chomp. No more strawberry on the countertop. Oh man, I can't believe that crocodile ate all of our food. I'll have to try again next week and see if we can trick him. Hopefully you have some food left over and you're not too hungry tonight, right? Have a snack later.
Let's do one more.
Let's do one more? Okay, what food would you like to do this time? Well, he's off getting a fruit or vegetable. Maybe you can do it at home. Maybe you can pick something else. A piece of clothing. You could pick something you use in the kitchen, like a spoon or a ladle. You could pick maybe a leaf or a twig or a branch that you find outside. You could pick a book, something you like to play with at home, maybe a piece of paper or a board game. You could really think of anything. The only thing we try not to ever do is people or animals, because that's not a very nice thing to pretend to eat, even if it's just pretend. So have fun doing that last one at home, and we'll see you in the next song.